Welcome. This tutorial will walk you through how you can update your contact details and change your communication preferences. The Broker Portal is designed to help you stay connected to the information you need to help your clients. Once logged in, you'll find My Profile in the top menu bar. Clicking in takes you to the My Details tab. Here you'll find the contact information we have on file for you. Click the green Edit button to update your telephone numbers and address. This area is also where you can change your preferred language to navigate the Broker Portal and for your Haventree Bank alerts. Your changes will be saved after clicking the green Save button at the bottom of the page. From here, you can find the My Preferences tab below the top main menu. Clicking in here gives you access to the Haventree Bank Subscription Center, letting you customize the types and frequency of the messages you would like to receive based on the needs of your business. When selecting your frequency, click on the drop-down menu to choose your preferred frequency. SMS text messages will be sent to the mobile number listed in My Details. Click the green Update button to save your changes. That's it! You now have control to update your contact information and change your communication preferences. Connect with our portal support team at brokersupport@haventreebank.com if you have any questions.